Welcome to this training session of Colt Compressors. Through this session you will understand the installation of Colt Compressors at your site. There are certain steps which need to be taken for proper and successful installation of your Colt screw air compressor. Handling, location, ventilation, downstream accessories, electricals, pre-commission check, operation demo, handover. Safety and precautions. Always wear safety gear. It is very important that the compressor to be handled carefully, moving to its location and placed gently. Lift the compressor using a pellet, forklift or a crane. Don't make any jerky movements or use any hand levers to move the compressor. The location of the compressor should be clean and dust-free area. Make sure the whole base of the compressor should make contact with the floor. Ensure evenness of the compressor floor. If the area is regularly cleaned with water, then place the compressor on a raised concrete platform with minimum height of 6 inches. Ensure the compressor is protected from direct sunlight, hot air, flammable material, toxic agents, corrosive gases and rain, as these can contaminate the oil inside the machine and affect the filters. Make sure the whole base of the compressor should make contact with the floor. Proper ventilation is important for the efficient working of any compressor. Compressor room temperature should not be more than 5 degrees Celsius more than the ambient temperature. The space around the compressor should be minimum 1 meter from all sides, and the height of the room should be minimum 4 to 5 meter. Ventilation can be done by 2 methods, i.e. natural ventilation, duct, and cross ventilation, or forced ventilation, exhaust fan and ducts. Arrangement of downstream accessories to the compressor. Commonly used downstream accessories fitted on the Colt compressor: air receiver, water separator, pre-filter, dryer, after filter and carbon filter. It is very important to ensure that the air receiver is of the correct capacity through the air receiver selection chart. Air inlet to the receiver should be at the bottom and outlet should be at the top. All the moisture drain points should be connected to the drainage pit. Piping arrangement, bypass arrangement should be made for the dryer and all the filters in case of any emergency. Electrical connection. This will explain about the electrical cable and the MPCB switch. Power should be supplied to the compressor through a dedicated power source. MPCB switch should be installed at least 4 meters to the compressor for easy access. Earthing of the compressor should be properly done. Ensure that the earthing leak should be greater than 0 volts and less than 2 volts. Ensure earthing from the body of the compressor is connected to the earthing line in the earthing pit properly. Sure recommended size of the power cable by the company to avoid an power failure. Cable connections should be done by installing lugs at the end. Ensure water quality is within the given limits. VFD machines? Ensure the correct RPM is set in Neuron controller. Is the transport locking clamps removed? Check if the hot air outlet/exhaust duct is provided as per guidelines. Operation demonstration, checklist of topics to be covered for the operation demonstration to the customer. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Colt compressor.